Hello, thank you for coming back to my kitchen. I'm just greasing a baking tray because today I'm going to be making ginger snaps. It's the end of November and ginger snaps just fill your house with the smell of ginger. Lovely cosy smell. There, so that's greased and we'll get on with melting the butter and the syrup. So I'm just going to put a pan on the heat and then we'll put in 3 ounces or 75 grams of butter and 3 ounces or 75 grams of golden syrup. We just need to heat this until the butter is all melted. Once you've just got a few little pieces like these left in the pan, turn the heat off. The heat of the pan will melt those, and we'll set this aside and it can cool down a little and we'll use it later. So I've just turned my oven on, and my oven is on 170 degrees Celsius because it's a fan oven, so that's 180 if you haven't got a fan oven, 350 if you're Fahrenheit, and if you're gas, it's gas mark 4. So now we're going to mix all the dry ingredients together in a bowl. I'm just going to sieve into my bowl 8 ounces or 225 grams of self-raising flour. Into this we're going to add 1 teaspoon of ground ginger and a pinch of salt. Next to go in is 4 ounces or 100 grams of caster sugar, and I'm doing a very strange thing here because it's clumpy. I'm sieving my caster sugar to get the clumps out. You don't normally have to sieve caster sugar. Yeah, they need to all come out there. Perfect. We just need to give that a little mix to get everything mixed together. There, no lumps of caster sugar. In this little cup I have 1 egg. I'll just give that a little whisk. But before we put that in, we need to make a well in the middle of the mixture and get back the warm butter and syrup. It shouldn't be so warm, it should have cooled a little by now. Just mixing it all up together again, it's separated slightly. Just pour that in. Followed by the egg. And just give it all a mix up. Going to give my wooden spoon a little scrape down just to make sure I've got all the flour incorporated. Now that dough is ready to form into biscuits. So I'll just get my greased baking tray back again, and we just want to form little balls of dough and put them on the baking tray. You can near enough form the rounds in the bowl. There, so once they're on, we just give them the press down with a fork. And they will go in the oven somewhere between 10 and 15 minutes. My ginger snaps have had 12 minutes, let's see if they're done. They're just lovely tinged around the edges, nice golden brown. A gingery colour. So we can put these on the baking rack straight away, they'll come straight off. And I'll just grease the tray and put the other biscuits on there. And they'll go in the oven for another 12 minutes. So just time for the taste test. I think I'll have 2. Let me show you the texture. They're softer, they're not a ginger nut, they're a ginger snap. They're slightly softer than a ginger nut. The ginger taste is so delicious, it's such a cosy taste. And of course they go very well with a cup of tea. Everything really, everything goes well. Everything is better with a cup of tea. So, if you've liked the video, give me the thumbs up as usual, and I am over on Instagram too, so go see me over there. It's Sheila's Kitchen with a kiss, Sheila's Kitchen with a cross, and I always post a picture of whatever I'm doing, so you'll get that first. That goes up at the same time as my videos do. So thank you once again for stopping by my kitchen, and I will see you again next time.